The word home has been redefined by billionaires. They invest their fortunes in purchasing and constructing sizable homes, furnishing them with the finest interiors and cutting-edge technology. With no limit on their spending, the mega-wealthy can splurge on virtually any piece of real estate, from an opulent mansion to an entire tropical island. However, some people actually have very plain tastes. Take a sneak peek inside the mansions of some of the wealthiest people on the planet, from Elon Musk and Rihanna to Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates, ranging from the magnificent to the surprisingly modest. Join us as we examine the stunning residences of the world's wealthiest billionaires. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Bill Gates. One of the most well-known and wealthy people in the world, he is the founder and CEO of Microsoft. His home, the Xanadu 2.0 mansion, is comparable to many of the houses featured in this video. Some of the richest people on the planet live in the sprawling 66,000 square foot complex on Lake Washington in the Seattle area, which is located in the same opulent neighborhood as Jeff Bezos' mansion. Bill Gates spent $63 million over 7 years to create the masterpiece. Despite having 8 bedrooms, the house can host large gatherings. Each room has touchscreen controls for the lighting, music, and climate. There are 6 kitchens, 25 bathrooms, and a dining room that can seat 200 people in the mansion. Think about getting lost in this house. He also acquired a sizable ranch in Southern California from fitness guru Jenny Craig. Mark Zuckerberg. The 37-year-old creator of Facebook plans to work remotely for up to half of 2022, and his $320 million real estate holdings are more than sufficient to support his work-from-home way of life. Across 4 locations, Zuckerberg owns 10 properties. Lake Tahoe, Kauai Island, and Palo Alto are all in California. A $7 million house in Palo Alto would be home to Mark and his wife Priscilla and their kids. A 5-bedroom, 5,617 square foot primary residence. Around his primary Palo Alto residence, he purchased 4 properties totaling $30 million. He paid over $10 million for an off-market property in Dolores Heights in 2013, which is spread out over an area of 5,542 square feet. Now, the 2 land parcels in Kauai that Zuckerberg paid a whopping $100 million for are the big-ticket real estate items for the Facebook CEO. He owns 1,400 acres of land in Hawaii and is constantly adding to it. He has also added a new roof and all new landscaping. Elon Musk, the co-founder and CEO of Tesla, disclosed in early June that he now only owns 1 house, and that his primary residence is a $50,000 tiny box house that he claims he rents from his rocket company SpaceX. Musk sold off most of his real estate assets and relocated to Texas in the past year. The tiny home includes some cool features, such as a full-sized kitchen with a large fridge, a double sink with a view, an oven, a dishwasher, a microwave, and shaker cabinetry. Homes owned by Musk in the Los Angeles region were worth a total of $72 million. Musk sold 4 properties in Bel Air for a combined $61.89 million in December 2020. Musk's home sales over the past year have generated an estimated $19.2 million profit. Jeff Bezos. In 1994, he started the massive online retailer Amazon out of his Seattle garage. From his home state of Washington to New York City, Bezos ranks as the 28th largest landowner in the US, according to the Land Report. He owns more than 5 homes in the United States, ranging from 2 adjacent Beverly Hills mansions to a vast estate in a posh Seattle suburb. Bezos owns 2 homes in Medina that together cover 5.3 acres. One is a 20,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence, and the other is an 8,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence that is rumored to have cost $53 million. Bezos also owns property in Beverly Hills, one of the priciest areas of Los Angeles. He acquired a relatively modest 4-bedroom, 4,568 square foot home next door to his first home for $12.9 million in 2017. The Warner Estate is his most recent Beverly Hills acquisition. The 9-acre property was purchased by Bezos for an astounding $165 million, making it the most expensive house ever sold in Los Angeles. Bezos paid $23 million for the largest home in Washington, D.C. He lives close to the Obamas, Ivanka Trump, and Jared Kushner. At some point, we can't help but wonder what it's like to be the world's richest person like these few billionaires on our list. These billionaires spend their money on beautiful and ultra-luxurious homes. But did you know they also spend their money on the most ridiculous things? Learn more by watching our video titled "The Most Ridiculous Things Billionaires Spend Their Money On." Now, let's get back to the video. Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is the co-founder and chairman of software giant Oracle. The Wall Street Journal has dubbed him the country's most avid trophy home buyer. Ellison has steadily invested his fortune in real estate, amassing a portfolio worth well over $1 billion. He owns several homes in Silicon Valley and Lake Tahoe, as well as 98% of the Hawaiian island of Lanai, which he purchased in 2012 for $300 million. His home in Woodside, California is inspired by Japanese imperial design and sits on 23 acres. The wooded estate has 10 buildings, a lake, a tea house, and a koi pond. He also has several million-dollar properties in Malibu. Warren Buffett. One of history's greatest investors, Warren Buffett, is a success. His home is no exception to this skill because of how well he has adapted to this process. Buffett still resides in the house he paid $31,500 for in 1958, which is in a quiet area of Omaha. Now that it has a value of about $800,000, the house isn't even among the most expensive ones on the block, keeping with his reputation for modesty. The 6,570 square foot home has 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, and the owner calls it the 3rd best investment he has ever made. He claims to be happy there and would move if he thought he'd be happier somewhere else. Buffett is currently asking $11 million for a home in Laguna Beach. Oprah Winfrey. She is the most successful talk show host of all time. She owns 7 properties. The first house in Montecito Winfrey was purchased for a whopping $50 million in 2001. In the backyard, there is a large pond with a fountain. Winfrey's most recent purchase is a 41-acre estate on Orcas Island in the northwestern corner of Washington State, which features an 8-bedroom, 6.25 bathroom, 73 square foot estate for a cool $8.275 million. In 2016, Oprah paid nearly $29 million for a 23-acre horse farm estate called Seymour Farm Estate. The 21st century farmhouse features a wraparound porch with ocean views, a country-style chef's kitchen, a terrace off the master bedroom, and a dining space for 6 people. Ambani Mukesh. Ambani is the richest person in India and the world's 12th richest person. He currently owns the most expensive private residence in existence. His residence, Antilla, is a 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai, India, valued at more than $1 billion. The 400,000 square foot mansion includes a multi-story garage with space for 168 cars, a ballroom, 4 helipads, gardens, a temple, guest suites, a health level, and a home theater that seats 50. Last but not the least, Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, the late Apple CEO, was another modest billionaire. The billionaire technological trailblazer of Apple lived in Palo Alto in a 1930s beautiful but modest mansion built in rustic style. The mansion sat on a half an acre and was 5,768 square feet with 7 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. The home was very much a British country style, fitting beautifully with the rest of this quiet neighborhood. Now we want to know which of these houses you like and how much money you have to spend on your dream home. Please let us know in the comment section below. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!